Today we're going to change out the transmission fluid on my 2006 Honda Civic Si. Alright, so I have this funnel. Hopefully it works. If not, purchase this one as a backup. This one is a transfer pump, so it'll suck in from one and it'll spit out the other. If the gravity one doesn't work, then we're going to have to pump it in there. I believe that's going to be the fill bolt. So now what we're going to do is we're going to drop the vehicle and we're going to open up the drain plug. Then we'll lower the vehicle so it'll be nice and floor leveled. We'll open up this top one. That way it's able to breathe out and drain the oil a little bit faster. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and lift up the car. Alright, so here we are underneath the car. And here is the drain plug. Looks like it is just a 3/8 ratchet that fits in there. Drop my flashlight. So let's go ahead and get that out. Alright, so there it is. It's nice and loose, so we're going to go ahead and unscrew it. Alright, just have your oil catch pan available. Nice and ready to catch all the oil. And here we go. Eesh. It's pretty dirty. I'm gonna go ahead and clean off this bolt. And I have both of my sons here. What's up, Caleb? What's up, Andrew? Hi. These are the only two that love to hang around with me when I'm working on my car. So we're going to go ahead and let that drain. What we're going to do is put that right underneath it. Move, Caleb. Take the jacks off. And we're going to actually lower the vehicle down. That way it's nice and floor leveled and it gets all the oil out. And there it is. More oil's coming out as it's going down. Nah, you guys get back. There, it's all the way to the floor. And we'll just let that continue draining. Alright, there it is, nice and clean. And I had to move this little bracket over a little bit. Just bended it to get my arm all the way in. There is the bolt we have to remove. We're going to be using a 17 to get it out. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it. Alright, this one was on here pretty tight, but I got it loose already. I'm going to go ahead and just take the bolt all the way out. Alright, there it is. And I went ahead and cleaned it. Now the drain plug is open, or the fill plug is open. And we're going to go ahead and grab our oil. Start filling it up. Once it starts to drop, I'll stop filling, then I'll plug the bottom just to get the rest of the old oil out, and we'll continue adding. Alright, so there I have it. I'm going to go ahead and open up the nozzle so I can start pouring out the oil. It's a pretty tight fit in here. I was thinking a couple of times just to use the other pump, but we're going to go ahead and give it a go. Hopefully nothing falls out. I can see the oil trying to feed in already. Oh, it's draining. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and plug the bottom back up. Alright, I went ahead and tied it back down. Now I'm going to lower the vehicle one more time. We're done with the jack. Alright, and now we'll continue to fill her back up. Just make sure the nozzle's still inside of the port. And it is, and it's off. Trying to get a view. Golly. Where you at, bruh? Where are you at? Down there. Jesus Christ. There it is. You can see it going. And I'm just letting it do its thing. Alright, just finished the first quart, so I'm going to go ahead and slap on the other one. And it's going to take, I think, 0.7 of it. I'm not too sure. Or 0.5. I think it's 0.7. So it's not going to take all of it, but it's going to take most of it. So the way this funnel works, I got this one at Walmart. I used to have one of these. I just didn't have the rubber hose to it. So I went to go buy another one. It has two different sizes. One for a regular size, and then you could take this white adapter and it opens up bigger for a bigger mouth. So what you do is you take off the top. You screw this on here. Then you have the open and close valve here. That's open, that's closed. No oil coming through. Well, a little bit, but that's what it was left on there. But you open this up and it allows it. So let me go ahead and put this back on and continue filling it up. Alright, there it is. It's spilling some out. You can see the little drops. Alright, and that's how much is left. I'm going to go ahead and cap that off, put this bolt back on, and secure it down. Alright, there it is. Now we're going to go ahead and secure it with the 17mm. And just make sure it's nice and secured. That's good. And we're set. And that is, boys and girls, how you perform a oil change on an 8th Gen Civic transmission. Zoom out. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Before I finish off the video, I just wanted to show how dirty this oil is. I know it's a black container, but it's pretty black. It's pretty dirty. So I am so glad I changed this out. Damn. I see metal shavings. Well, I thought I had cleaned it. And I guess I didn't clean it very good. So maybe that's not from the transmission. But I don't know. But anyways, thank you guys. Please like and subscribe.